Okay, so I'm going to take you through how to install the dev C++ and how to get started with it. That's the intro. Stay tuned. You double click or you right click and you select the open. Okay, Omubisa say please select the language choose kasa no. Tibia oti English you select kasa or what no and now we choose. So you be choose English near bo okay. Terms no. We read there. If you agree, you select on the I agree. This one type of installation yanko next. This the location. Choose the default one and now be create and one folder now store BBR. So you just tap on the install. Okay, so I had him say near we into over selected finish near running the street. Into for the first time no would be dev C++ and now code blocks now say na overview unit here. There will be no document area or any place to do anything. If you say umi project via into over file no ako new no ako project your source file or your project but will be creative project to buy new project now we call console application. No type a name of the project everyone say my first project. Then make sure say project a C++ project because this can be used for C projects. When you see our programming language means why a friend C C++ if you move by C++ a more object oriented. Okay, the ubodi anywhere no about okay. The ebe bisa baby or person or store or projects nigu. So you can choose to right click, select new and create a new folder for your project. We'll be to me create folder for your C++ projects. And answer folder that no answer or select it no save here too. So this is how a new project in the C++ look like. Say now will be a new project now. Here there's always the hash include iOS stream no and only a input output stream because say who show bb actually user no so enter bb until here the input output stream library. That's a library, it's a predefined function that I say. Okay, so this is the outlook of a new project in the dev of a C++ programming language. Thank you for your time. See you again next time. Bye bye.